Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite your partner to the paired application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And after that, go to your home page by tapping on the home button down below and then click on invite partner. Here you should pair with your partner to swap answers and questions, quizzes and games. So click on the continue button. Here you can add a picture of yourself, and here you can find the code that you need to share with your partner. So tap on share my code, and here you can find your partner from your contacts, or send it via airdrops, messages and so on. You can also copy it by tapping on this copy button next to the link. As you can see, the code has been copied to the clipboard, and here you can also enter your partner's code if you want to pair with him or her. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.